edlula mithi ithena when we speak we must speak with pride and say South Africa belongs to amakhosi. Amakhosi, us, when we represent our people, we must represent our people with authority. That means its tools, the dignity of amakhosi need to be revived. Amakhosi are leading the community. Baba has just finished talking. Thank you, Baba. You raised fundamental points. Tourism is about us. We grow our economy through tourism. The minerals and resources are under our land. So it is therefore very important that when we go knowing very well that amakhosi need to have dignity. We need to be dignified. There must be respect through amakhosi. It's also the responsibility of us as amakhosi because we are the ones that are guiding our society through proper principles, through proper values and ethics. And that is our responsibility. Ukhula komfana omncane, intombazane. How does a young man grow? Amakhosi. Value addition. Today, ingane encane ziyareshwa. Women abuse. Because our society currently has no morals. So the role of us as amakhosi is to bring back stability in our communities. Therefore, as I learn, we must make sure that we don't only allow our government to run this country, our countries. Our countries need to understand that ukhosi must play a fundamental part. To run arts and culture and development, we need amakhosi strategically to lead strategic departments so that amakhosi will be assigned resources. We can't have amakhosi without proper budget to run departments. Their land of their forefathers are able to have policies that are going to be able to accommodate them proper and according. We can't have amakhosi acelayo requesting and begging. We can't beg anymore. We can't sit and claim that we are leading while we still have a motion of begging. We must be assigned resources accordingly. So we have a task, therefore, amakhosi, royalness, the past. We have a responsibility to go and shape our government. We've got a responsibility to go and speak to our people that when they are going to vote moving forward in shaping government, they must first align namakhosi. Most of our brothers and sisters here are saying this generation is a generation of democracy, a generation which is lost because a generation of democracy will be brainwashed. Because we want a proper education for them. In between, they will be taught to lose themselves. It's therefore our responsibility to remind them of who we are as amakhosi. So as I learn, brothers and sisters, nibahle. uNkulunkulu angigcine. Can we make sure that our countries are positioned and shaped accordingly? Let's bring back stability. Let's create job opportunities. Let's invite investors in South Africa. Our brothers and sisters, we are one. Africa must remain.